Live from Mr. Joshua's garden, we have a zebra butterfly. It elegantly opens and closes its wings as it absorbs the sun. Ah, it must be saying it feels so good. What is the next butterfly flower I should go drink some nectar? I will go see. La la la, li li lu 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 lu, flying so free. La 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 la, come fly with me, 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 me. Ah, yes, I love butterflies. They are so cool. Okay, today we're gonna start by drawing some butterflies, but we need to make it where they're gonna land. So let's start with a vine. Let's draw like a squiggly line so we can show where they're gonna be. Let's make it a little bit thicker, so let's go on the other side. And we're gonna need somewhere for it to land, like a leaf. So that's the center of the leaf. Now we're gonna do the top curve and the bottom curve all the way to a point. Sometimes they're rounded, so either way. And now we're gonna do two butterflies. We're gonna do one that's gonna have his wings closed and one that's gonna have his wings open. So we can start by putting this one here with his wings closed. So we're gonna do his little face and his little eyes. Give him some antenna. Okay. Now we need the top part of the wing. It's actually in two pieces. So we're gonna go up, curve around a little bit bumpy if you want. It's almost like the letter N. Okay, now we need to go to the middle where that head is. We're gonna go out and curve all right there, okay? And let's connect that because that's the lower half of the wing. Okay, you can kind of see the body just a little because his wings are closed, so you can only see little pieces. Sometimes you can't see it at all. There's more of his belly there. He's gonna need some legs to hold on to that leaf. And one back there, and you can't really see the other ones because they're behind him. Okay, now we need to make sure that we have one stripe here, and then two stripes up here. Okay, then there's going to be another one here. And then all down here we're going to do little circles. 2 rows. Okay, so this is one butterfly and you could barely see the other wing, so what we're going to do is we're just going to copy the line for the back wing. And since it's in the back and we really can't see it, we're just going to shade it in. Okay, so that's one, and we're still going to touch it up later. Okay, so I don't want you to think it's finished yet, but that's going to be as good as we need to. And maybe you need to reset and rewind and try that again. Okay, don't be sad if you don't get it on the first try. Make sure you just give it another shot. You can rewind it. Okay, but we need to have another one, so we need to make another leaf going up this way. And then we're gonna make the leaf, but we're not gonna color it all the way because we're gonna put the butterfly on top of it. So I'm just doing a little piece where it goes. So I'm gonna do the body. the head and the little eyes, antenna, and now once we have the antenna, the head, and the body, we gotta go out and curve, the other way, out and curve. Okay, now from this part of the body, so we did two kind of like hooks, two curves out. Now from here, we're gonna go out, curve back, out, curve back. Okay, and then we'll make sure these all touch. Okay, and the thing that makes it a zebra butterfly is copy in the wing pattern. So we need one pattern here. We need little circles here. Little circles. Okay, then we have one stripe, two stripes, three stripes. Okay, so the top wing has three stripes, the bottom one has one, and then two rows of circles. So I'm going to do one stripe on this side, two stripes, three stripes. Okay, now put that leaf behind it. Okay, so now what we need to do is wherever there's not a stripe, we need to color it in because it's a black. That's black. Okay, so we're going to color in around the dots. And we're going to color in. Make sure you're not coloring in the wrong line because you want to keep all the black and the white separate. Okay, and then over here, okay, so these are zebra butterflies and they're from my garden, and then of course now you can have fun and color it all in. And you could add anything else that you want in the garden. Okay, maybe some flowers. And we'll put one pink flower or purple flower. What we'll do is we'll go like this. We'll make it like a cup. Then we'll make a circle. And then the petals. And they usually go inside and put their tongue all the way down in here to get the nectar. Okay? So you can add more flowers, more butterflies, color it in a little. And that is your butterflies. Okay? So now I'll put my name. So here you could also do this and like outline it and do it all over again with black if you didn't already. And you can see how it'll stand out if I outline it. See, that's what happens if you go back and you trace it. It'll really stand out. Okay? So have fun with your butterflies. I'm gonna put my name on here. Joshua Finch. And it's 2020. Okay, boys and girls, so that's it. You could trace it again or leave it like that. But those are your butterflies. Thank you for joining me. And I look forward to seeing you next time. See you later. Bye-bye.